Jimmy isn't here, though.
Did I bump into anything? Did I bump into anything?
No, you didn't bump into anything.
Look,
Hey, I got a video camera. I didn't have to bring one. Huh? Good? I kiss you, Johnny.
Hey, how you doing?
Hello. What?
You let me trouble with you.
Hi, Claire.
It's okay.
Coach.
Did you? Oh, yeah. How was she, all right?
Uncle Johnny, we're running into serious problems.
Okay.
That's right.
Head count.
I get sick of hearing it. Said you were caught. You got it back.
Kept crawling up my back. Excuse me. Hey, Uncle Eddie.
Had the right address.
You tell me one or something. I told him you're taking his picture. Uncle Eddie. Uncle Eddie. Uncle Eddie.
How are you? That belt you have.
Yeah. Oh, please. Wait till I get a half.
Huh? I figured I'd leave them up for Christmas anyway. How you doing? Come on in.
Thank you. Surprise!
Surprise, that's why it's here.
Happy birthday, Jan.
Can we surprise you?
Very good to see you.
Yeah.
Did he know? He knows, did he?
He didn't know I could. How you doing? I didn't know a thing. No. How you doing?
How you doing, brother?
Yes.
So disappointed, right?
Yes. How you doing, John? You okay?
Yeah.
Did I get you good?
This was everybody we called, everybody we spoke to, they all said, Jimmy, I'll be there, I'll be there, I'll be there. I mean, Aunt Harriet came here, Margaret came here, Emily came. You know, it was super.
Right, yeah, that I know. Yeah.
Pulled it off, you mean? I pulled one off? I'm sure I'm going to pay for this one.
You know what we were afraid of? You were going to come in the door, see everybody, you know. Fuck this. Run out the door. You know, so somebody said, not with Joni behind him.
Getting the socks off me.
I know, I saw you. Beanie started falling over here. She saw the tears in your eyes.
I'm thinking about him for years.
Yeah.
Harry, you know who I am?
We told everybody, we said, everybody get to the left. This way, come in this way.
Right. Now,
That's my Zoom.
right here.
Last night, I went home.
See here? What do I do? Fade in and fade out? Fade is this button here.
Think you're in charge?
So I should tell you, but you know, you
See how it goes out, and then you let go, it comes back in. Got it?
Okay, I got that. Kathy,
What?
that's gonna work.
You want me to do it?
Yeah.
birthday. You're welcome.
Irish wedding.
They're both gone?
One was trumpet?
Oh.
That's terrible. How the hell could I say something? You know what I mean? That was, you know, it was, how could you say, I mean, really, how could I say that? What's the difference between an Irish wedding?
I got it.
You got that already? How about the Pollock? No, I better not say it.
George's birthday. What's the combination?